Everybody, welcome back to One Seed, One World. I just wanted to say thank you for joining me this past year, for all of your comments on videos, likes, shares, and subscribing. I appreciate that you've come and spent time with me and out in the garden and on the homestead with the plants, the chickens, the bees, build projects, whatever it was that I was doing. And as of today, I hit 6,000 subscribers. So thank you. Thank you very much for that. You guys are the ones that keep this channel going and make it possible for me to do what I do and for me to enjoy making these videos. And I want to keep continuing to do this and hopefully continue to grow the channel even further with more things that we can learn from each other. Whether we are at 6,000 subscribers or maybe one day 60,000 or 600,000, hopefully, who knows. But had a pretty good year overall. Had some, plants that did really well, other ones that didn't. Had some learning experiences from some of my tests with different things, but had a good time overall and got a lot of good produce, from the whole thing. So this is just a quick video to say thank you, and I hope you guys are all having a great 2023 as we're coming into this holiday season. The year's almost over and seed catalogs are already coming in. It's about time to start ordering your seeds if you haven't already and start thinking about starting seeds inside. Some of those early plants, like I start my, not potatoes, but my onions and leeks and those kind of things can be started as early as February. So we're, only a few weeks away. But this video is a little, also a little music montage of the videos from this year. So I hope that you enjoy this. But whatever's going on in your neck of the woods, I hope it's working out fantastic for you and that you have had a great year. And I hope that you will come back and join me again for more videos in 2024. So hope you're having a great day and a great holiday. We'll see you all again soon. Namaste.